What's up YouTube friends and family, welcome back. Today I have some super cute glow-in-the-dark Kuromi Kawaii Halloween press-ons. All the products I use will be listed and pinned at the top in the comment section so it's easy for everyone to find. If there's ever anything that I haven't listed, just let me know and I'll be sure to add it. I do 2 layers of the glow-in-the-dark polish and then I use Born Pretty No Wipe top coat to top coat it. The charms I make today will be with polygel, and I used polygel from Saviland today. I can't remember which kits these are from, so I'll leave the links and the unboxing video for these down below as well. But I literally bought all my Saviland polygels off Amazon. In previous videos that I've made charms, I've used gel polish, and I don't recommend it for using it for a whole charm. With my experience, they do work, but there is a chance that there could be leaking. So I'm just going to go around the charm and clean up any excess product that's on there so that it looks like a Kuromi head instead of a mess. So I actually made this file and buffer. I attached them together, so now I have a file and buffer in one. I'm going to be using a no wipe top coat from Born Pretty. It's a thinner top coat and I prefer to use this today for my charms and everything to keep everything thin. If you wanted to make these look like an acrylic charm, you could just put matte top coat on there. Don't worry about any excess product that you get on the actual silicone mold itself. You can just pick it off after. It literally just peels right off, so don't even worry about that. I do have some other videos that I've made charms in, so I'll link those in the comment section as well. So these super cute stickers are what actually inspired this set for me today. And you can use like whatever you have to recreate this set if you wanted to. You can even use like Kuromi actual charms. You don't have to use stickers. So for the Kuromi head, you can tell there's no face on here. You have to create everything. So I'm going to use Kawaii Claws painting gels. I love Kawaii Claws painting gels. They're super thick and pigmented and you don't need a lot. When I was working at the salon, I brought them there and I used them all the time and I really regret doing that and I wish I had just left them at home. So in your opinion, what is the best odor out for monomer, like those drops or whatever? Is it called a neutralizer or eliminator? Odor eliminator for monomer. I got one a while ago from AliExpress and it's peaches, smells like peaches, but I never used it and it's like evaporating, so that's really strange to me. Anyways, let me know your guys' opinions. I'm gonna add some glitter to one of the nails. I don't want it to be like too glittery, but there is a mistake on that one nail is why I brought it up also. But it kind of cured onto the side of my gel lamp and it kind of made an indent there, so I just covered it with glitter. so much for watching. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. I'm going to show you guys these with the glow effect. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.